Good evening. Welcome on board our first ever Airbus A321. Not just us, but India's first ever A321 XLR.
Can you please explain how it will affect the international connectivity of Indigo?
So we have already started expanding our connectivity, and XLR is actually the future of Indigo's international expansion. It's a key pillar for our expansion, and I'm sure as keen as we are, our passengers will be more excited to travel with us to different international destinations.
And also, like, what are the aircrafts Indigo is displaying over here in Wings India 2026?
So will be receiving few more of Airbus A321 XLRs, and soon I am not sure if we are expecting it in the year 2026, but soon we are expecting our Airbus A350s as well, again for our international expansion. So we are quite excited about everything.
That's really great. First, I would like to know that how Indigo helped their cabin crew to manage onboard efficiently.
So we are trained efficiently. We have great trainers on board with us. We have different training centers where we are trained in such a nice way that how to treat the customers, how be courteous, and how to make their service and the experience hassle free on board. And it is a process that we go through, which takes around 3 months of a training in which there's a safety, there's a first aid. So how to have the priority for the customers for related to the safety and how we will be saving lives on board. So that all covers in the training.
And I would like to know, like, Indigo is stepping towards its international connectivity. So, is there any specific special program it has put on for cabin crew to work efficiently?
For training purpose, yes, we do have different type of trainings. For long haul flights, we do have different trainings for which the cabin crew goes through the training with our customer service team. We have our trainers, well efficient trained trainers, those who tell us that how to do the service for the customers in the business class that we call Indigo Stretch, and how to have the service in the economy class. We also serve hot meals in the long haul flights, and it covers all in our training.
As Indigo is expanding its fleet, so customers are also more, right? So how do cabin crew manage like high volume of customers, keeping the service warm and professional?
So we, being a cabin crew of Indigo, we always are warm and efficient for our customers. We are very frequent hiring the cabin crew. We have a lot of interviews coming up where the aspiring cabin crew can come and give their interviews, and we would love to have them with us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So the best feedback till now I have received is for my colleagues and Indigo's employees that they are very grounded and they are very helpful, be it assisting with the wheelchair, be it with the services, be it going going miles for our customers. So they are quite helpful for our customers.
I agree with that. This could be the best compliment anyone could get. What do you say, Aditi?
I agree with my colleagues, but personally speaking, once when an old age person, I helped him with genuine feelings. He actually told me that you actually helped me and cared like a daughter. So that felt really nice that the person, even he's old, he's traveling alone on a wheelchair, but he did not miss his family because Indigo crew were taking care of them. So that was the best feedback I have still remember with me.
These are our two products. This is Indigo Stretch, and that one is Economy. So we have a six-way adjustable headrest. We also have ear envelope for our customers for more privacy. In addition to all the features which we have on Indigo Stretch on domestic, we also have a cocktail table in the armrest, improved device holders, plush pillows, and a water bottle. Also, we have calf rest here. Calf rest and a foot rest is the additional features which we have on XLR. Also, our customers will enjoy a wider 21.8 inches of seat, 44 pitch, and a deeper reclining of 6 inches. and personal coat hook, also an access to the personal coat closet for all our Indigo Stretch customers.
So as soon as our stretch customers board, we offer them welcome drink, which is an ABC juice and an Ampanna juice. We offer them amenities like anti-skid socks, eye mask, dental kit, earplugs, and a sleep spray. This is our Indigo signature overlay, which will keep you warm during the flight. It comes in travel-inspired designs, and it also comes with a carry-on bags because comfort should always travel with you. This is what our in-flight dining experience looks like. We have Indian and international, vegetarian and non-vegetarian selections to choose from. Before landing, we serve our customers Indigo signature mithai, which is the Aam Papad Barfi, curated in tricolor to bid a warm farewell to our customers. This is our alcoholic selection. So we serve the best and the finest brands in India to our Indigo Stretch customers. This is an Amrut whiskey, the best whiskey in India, made in India in Bangalore and awarded as the 4th best whiskey in the world. We have Sula wines in cans. These cans are specially curated for Indigo. We have Sula red wine, white wine, a Sula bubbly and a Sula rosé. The beer that we serve is a Kingfisher premium beer and the gin is Stranger and Sons. We make an amazing cocktail called Malahar cocktail loved by all Indigo customers. I hope you will love the experience and join us on our Athens flight.
You are watching Aviation Today.